Hey, this is Michael de la Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a good chance you want to know how to make money online through affiliate marketing. Well, stay tuned because in this video I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So, before I share with you how to make money online through affiliate marketing, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos where I share more about making money online. And I share with you, this journey that I started just because I want to give myself and my family and people that are searching for ways to, earn a living or earn an income online, create a better life, create freedom from themselves. So that's my number one intent here for this. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe and let's get to it. Okay, so here's what you need in order to make money online through affiliate marketing. So the first thing you need is actually to choose your niche. That's your first step right there, is to choose your niche, because you need something. You need an audience, a marketplace that you can serve, something that you like, and that you're going to be passionate about for the long term. So to help you do that, let me go ahead and go to this website here. It's called clickbank.com. So when you go to clickbank.com and you go here to where it says affiliate marketplace, you're going to find that there's different niches that you can actually be part of. And you can also use this website to get access to products, right, and promote to that niche. So let me give you an example here. So right here we have business investing niche right here. You can choose for international business. There's more computer and internet. You can choose like databases, email services, etc. You can also use green products. There's also health and fitness. So these are different categories of different niches. I'm just giving you an examples that you can choose from, and you can serve that audience, right? Because you're gonna need you're going to need products, right, that you can serve this audience. So going to this website called clickbank.com, you can actually go in here and pick a niche, and then you can serve that niche and promote products to that niche. And guess what? You start making money, right? You start making commissions online. And like, for example, myself, when I started online, I started in the make money online niche, home business, online marketing niche. So those are the niche that I actually serve. Currently, so that's my niche right there. That's why I help people make money online. So I serve that niche. So what I do, I go to affiliate, I find affiliate programs, and I get products, and that will help my niche, right? So this is essentially what you want to do. So that's step one. You got to come up with a niche, right? The second thing, you go here. The second thing you're gonna need to research different affiliate programs and products. That's the same thing that I gave you. So let me show you. So here's a website, clickbank.com, as I mentioned. You're gonna pick a niche here that you want to, that you serve. If you're into the business and investing niche, then you can click on any of these right here, and let me click on marketing and sales. And like you can see there's different products here that you can choose from, and you can promote those products in that niche, right? When you click on promote, it's probably going to guide you to creating an account, and it's free to join. And basically, you're going to promote these products, and I'm going to show you in this video how to promote them, right? How to promote them. So you want to get access to these products, and it tells you what's the initial sale, right? It's $13, right? It tells you, the pretty much it tells you, how much your earnings are. Okay, so this is what you do. This is how you get you get paid online through affiliate marketing. So you get products to promote, and then you get paid for selling other people's products. That's what affiliate marketing is. Okay, here's the second website that you can go to get affiliate products and or services. It's called JVZoo. So what you can do is that you can create an account here for free, and you can start promoting products here from other people. People create products, you go in here and you can promote them on the internet, right? And that's another way. So as you can see, you just scroll all the way down, right? Let me go all the way down. So when you go to jvzoo.com, and then you can become a JVZoo affiliate, so you can start promoting on JVZoo, right? So that way you can actually earn commissions for selling other people's products. Okay, so that's another website you can go to get products for your chosen niche. Another one that is my one of my favorites is called Warrior Plus. And this product you can also or this website you can also go in there and get affiliate products as well. So let me keep scrolling down here just to show you around. So what you do, you create an account here, and once you log in there, you're gonna have the ability to choose different products to promote to people that are in your niche, right? So if somebody, let's say, wants to lose weight, and you can get products that helps people lose weight, you can go into any of these websites and find products like supplements and things that's going to help them out. Maybe it could be a course too of some fitness. This is an example, right? This could be depending what your niche is, and you can go in there and find programs or courses that you can promote to them and earn commissions on. The same thing goes with if you're in an online marketing niche like I am, you want to teach people how to market online, that's your niche, then you can find courses, different info products or digital platforms that helps these people, um, you know, truly help these people truly, learn how to market on the internet. Okay, so those are the three websites that I would recommend. So for finding your products, let's go to the next one. So number 2 is research different affiliate programs and products, right? Once you research, you want to get access to those products and you want to promote them, right? Number 3 is build a site. Building a site could be something simple as building a Facebook page. You can create a YouTube account, and this goes with how to promote your products. So an example what I can give you is that when people are searching on the internet, looking for solutions to the problem, they are called traffic, right? And traffic are simply visitors or eyeballs on the internet. So when somebody's searching for, give me your example, how to how to how to market my business online, or let me give you maybe a health, how can I lose my belly fat. I always give that as an example. When they search on Google, they're going to be presented with different websites, different platforms. This could be YouTube, this could be a Facebook page, this could be somebody's blog, and they're going to be presented with this with these blogs or these pages, or YouTube or Facebook pages, and when they go to the sites, they're going to find their solution. So it's important that you know how to build a site, and it's not that hard. You can create a YouTube channel, and like I'm doing right now, give some tips on YouTube, and then simply refer people to to a product, or to a course or a video, or maybe a free course on how they can solve the problem, right? And you can use other people's referrals in order for you to for example, if somebody's promoting a product that shows people how to solve a problem, right? And let's say that person or that company is paying commissions, so you can be affiliated with them. You can use that link and promote it on your YouTube. You can actually do a video on a product review. So you get a product, you review, you talk about it, you show the benefits, and then you can just point people to a link where they can access that same product you're actually promoting, right? So the building a site is super important, but stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can have all of this done for you. What's my recommended way, so stay tuned. So build a site is the third part of how to make money through affiliate marketing. And then number 4 is produce excellent content. And what that means is that, let's say you found a product to promote, then you want to produce excellent content. You want to really create either videos, or this could be a written message. This could be a post on social media, on Facebook pages or groups, about the benefits of your products, what your product's about, what you like about it, and then you can just have people go to a website to learn more about that product, right? You can give a call to action to have people send traffic to that link or to that page where it talks more about the product, where and how they can access that product. So you got to learn how to produce excellent content. This video that you're watching right now is actually an example of excellent content, because it's giving you the information you need to go out there and crush it on the internet, right? So this is the same thing you're gonna do. You're gonna produce excellent content. Another content will be sending emails, right? Email marketing. Maybe when you're building an audience through email, you can send them an email on a daily basis, talking about your products and services that can help that audience, right? So this audience has to be people from your chosen niche, right? So there you go. Produce excellent content. Number five. The fifth one is build an audience, and I was just talking about that. So building an audience simply means that you have somebody to talk to. You have interested people, you have a niche, you have a group of people in an environment that you can actually market and promote and educate to that audience, right? So you can have a Facebook group with a whole bunch of people in there. It could even be just one person or two, but you have an audience of people that are actually interested in what you're offering, and you can actually communicate with this audience on a daily basis. Okay, this could be through email, this could be through a Facebook group, this could be your audience on Facebook, or maybe people that like your page on your Facebook page. Maybe it could be your audience on a YouTube channel, right? People that subscribe to your channel, your followers on Instagram. So the point is, you're gonna build an audience of people that are interested in the offers, in the products, services, and education that you're offering. Okay. Number six is promote your affiliate products, right? So once you grab your affiliate products that through any of these three websites. This is just three websites of those so many that are out there, but these are the ones that I use to grab affiliate products. So if I'm helping somebody find success online, I'm gonna find products in here that serves that audience, right? And I'm gonna grab some products to promote, and then I'm gonna send them information on how they can solve whatever problem they're having, right? If it's to how to get more leads online, or how to get more sales, how to make more money on the internet, trust me that I'm gonna go find some products that's gonna help them how to get there, and I'm gonna send them an email. I might post it on my blog, and basically this is how you actually make money online. You promote affiliate products to people that are interested in what you have to offer. Okay, let me go. Let me keep going here. So, what's the? Hold on, let me get this. Okay, so no, that's number six, and then the seventh part component to making money online through affiliate marketing is repeating steps 4 through 7 on a consistent basis. So you got to be consistent with these steps, and let me illustrate you all the steps that we went through. So you got to be consistent with the steps, because the reason why I say choose a niche that you're going to be passionate about, that you're going to love, is because you have to come up with topics of things that you're going to talk about in a long period of time, so that way you're creating long-term success. Meaning that when you're creating content on the internet, either to a YouTube channel, Facebook, um, uh, Twitter, Instagram, etc., over consistently, guess what? The the search engines and the algorithms, which is basically what's going to help people find you. They're gonna really, you're gonna be getting a lot of traffic and a lot of people, interested in your topics, because they're educational and they're gonna want to buy more from you. This is how you're gonna start making money through affiliate marketing. Now, my suggestions when it comes to promoting online would be using Google and using YouTube, right? Because Google and YouTube are both search engines. So let's say you have a blog, right? Which is I highly recommend. When you get a blog, you put content on there, and you share content that is about that solves the problems of your chosen niche. Then Google is going to send traffic to your content, because you're being consistent. You're creating fresh content every single day, right? Or or when you're starting out, probably every single once a week maybe will be a good uh, like a good rate to starting out if you're starting out. And the same thing on YouTube. YouTube is a search engine, so people are searching for solutions to their problems when they hit search on YouTube. And the videos that you make and the content that you produce, people are going to find it, right? So pretty much when you find these people, then you just simply just let them know that what you have to offer, right? Because they're already looking for a solution. So once you give the solution, then you just want to recommend a product or a service, or this could be a free training or something in addition, and just thanking them for visiting your space on the internet. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are the 7 things you need to really make money online through affiliate marketing. So you choose a niche, right, that you're going to be talking about, where you're going to talk about topics for a long period of time. So choose a niche. Then you want to do research. You want to research different affiliate programs and products. I'm going to leave a link to each of these websites that I'm recommending and down below this video. And then the third one is build a site, right? And then the fourth is produce excellent content consistently. And then you want to build an audience. Again, an audience could be built. My best recommended way is to build an email audience, people that are going to subscribe to your email list, and you start building that list. Because when you build an audience, let's say through YouTube, Facebook, or Google, or I'm sorry, Facebook, YouTube, or let's say Instagram, any social media platform, there's no guarantee that that platform will stay there forever, right? They might close your account for some reason. So when you're having your audience on your email, though, you can actually download a document of all those people in that email list, and you can back those, you can back that audience up on your computer, on a thumb drive, and you can upload it whenever whenever you can. So you have a lot of control over your audience, and that way it makes sure that you stay connected with your audience, right? So email is a great way to build an audience that can stay with you for the long term, for years and years to come. You need an autoresponder though to get that, so I'm going to leave a link also of my recommended autoresponder, so you can get access to that too. And then what you do, you promote affiliate products to your audience, right? That's as simple as that. And then number 7, you just keep repeating that same, and then as you do it over and over again, it's going to get easier and easier and more simple. And guess what? You're going to start making money online. Okay, so as I said before, if you want to know what is my #1 recommended way or method to make money online through affiliate marketing, click the link below. It's actually a free 15-day training that you're going to go through, and it's going to help you actually set up your own online business where you can actually earn unlimited income potential, and have the ability to have a business that's going to give you success, it's going to give you freedom, both time and financial freedom in the long term. So go ahead and access that free training. I left you a link below this video, and also look through all my recommended ways to make money online, because they're really going to help you out. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz. Thank you for tuning in. See you next video.